Speak upon the topic BRICS. BRICS is an organization of the five countries Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. It was formed in 2001, and the name BRICS was given by an economist, Jim O'Neill of Goldman Sachs, in a report on the growth prospects about the economies of these countries. Earlier, it was only four participants of the BRICS: Brazil, Russia, India, and China. But there was a meeting. The first summit of the BRICS was held at Yekaterinburg in 2009. After that, they decided to expand their organization and also added South Africa in 2010. From then onwards till date, there is 5 members of BRICS organization. After the 2009 Yekaterinburg summit, there were 5 annual summits held in the different countries of the BRICS. In 2010, the summit was held in Brasilia. In 2011, it was in Sanya. In 2012, it was in New Delhi, in India only, and in 13, it was in Durban. After that, in 14, the 5th annual summit was held in Fort Teleza. India, our country, India has hosted 3 BRICS summits till date. The first was in 2012, the second in 16, and the third was hosted this year only in 2021, 9th of the September, and it was chaired by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the 4 more participants of the other 4 participants of BRICS country, the heads of the states also participated. The Chinese President Xi Jinping participated in this summit. The Russian President Vladimir Putin and the Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro and the South African President Cyril Ramaphosa also participated in the 13th BRICS summit held in New Delhi. It was held via video conference, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi was the chairperson, and it was co-chaired by the Michael Patra, Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India, and also by the Tarun Bajaj, Secretary Department of Revenue, Ministry of Finance, India. Earlier, last year in 2020, it was to be held in Brazil from the 21st to 23rd of the July, but due